What's going on, y'all? Welcome back. This is Krump Language, okay? Let's get straight to it. Krump Language, we have hand signs. And these are the three main hand signs, or really the main hand signs. Everything else you see in Krump is each individual's unique expression, okay? So with Krump, we base everything off three main hand signs: talking, expansion. I call them creation hands because they allow us to create and play with things, right? Talking or styling, illusion or expansion hands, creation hands. And then you have a fist, which is just straight brawler, straight power, which is really good for holding shapes and pulling things, throwing things. So it's really important that you get a feel and understanding for these. Okay? So what they do real quick. So talking is like the hand that, it's like a finger and a thumb out. So what we're doing is, if you put your fist out, have your knuckles facing forward, you want to put your thumb up and finger out. You don't want to do this. A lot of people do this and then they change their hand like it's a gun. Nope. So you want to hold it up and straight out. Your finger wants to be straight, pointing at each other, okay? Pointing at each other. And this is basically the reason why it's called talking, is because I get to point at you or at different objects, or I get to point at you or at different things to create focus, okay? To create focus. That's what talking allows us to do. And if you want to style out and look and just tap yourself, you can do that too. But that's what talking is, okay? So for example, I can do this and I can look at you. If I do this or this, then I can look at my hand and you know that it's going to go this way. Okay? I can do this and look up. I can do this, look down, up, down, up, down. Sides, look, side, yeah? So now you can, as you can see, I'm already adding a bounce to this. I can just, see what I'm saying? Boom. I can do this anywhere, right? Just as long as I'm focusing on it. Boom, it allows me to start speaking, okay? Because dance is a language. It's a language, it's not just movement. We get to tell our story in this way. So you have talking. Next thing is you have expansion hands. And now expansion or creation hands allows us to open things different ways. Pull things up, like boom. It allows us to show things. You see what I'm saying? So if I go like this, you know that I'm either giving you something or showing you something, right? So now we can do this. Boom. Now I can change my hands and I can go, did you see this? Bang! Right? So now I can go, look, boom, look, boom, boom. Okay? So I can open things like this. Literally any way I can open things. This is totally up to you and your creativity now. But it's super important that these hands are here and used. They increase what we call liveness and the feeling of looking big. Okay? Big, right? Boom. Boom. Everything's bigger when it's open, okay? And you can receive more when you're open. So, talking, holding. So something simple like I just did just then, I can just go talk, fling, right? Talk, let go, and then grab it. Huh, bang, huh, bang, huh, bang, huh, bang. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. Okay. Number 3, fist. So like I said, it's really good for throwing, pulling things, hitting things, holding on to things. Wow. Or just showing that you're a badass, right? Showing that you're strong, okay? So, if we put them all together, you can have a simple, basic, like hand sign combination, like boom, boom, bang, boom, boom, bang, opening, boom, boom, close. See what I'm saying? Boom, boom, open, close. Yep, that's tight. Boom, boom, open, close. So open, grabbing here, close. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, and then now you can look, you can interact with what's here because that's where you ended. See what I'm saying? So, let's do a quick exercise. Really, really simple, basic, right? With the bounce. And now you can even add your stances in there. Now, you can do simple exercises just like I did. Repetition allows you to really get a feel of something. So, simple exercise for you guys in regards to arm gestures, hand gestures. You can just place it anywhere. Place it anywhere. It may feel awkward. Place it anyway. Okay? All right. Exercise number 2. So you had placing, now you have grabbing, or just like placing something and then letting it go. Place, letting go. So all I'm doing here with my hand is just this, boom. It's like, get out of here, right? Get out of here. But I can change the way my get out looks. Bang, can go from here, forward, here, forward. Boom, you can do it with just one hand. Now we're really starting to speak. We're really talking. Get out of here. Now you can amplify it, or you can also just do it slow. So if I were to amplify it, bang, 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 boom, 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 bang, boom. Yep. See what I'm saying? So you can try it out, but I advise you that it's important to know what your arms are doing. So much love to you. So now that you have completed Krump Language and you know a bit of the basics of Krump Language, the main 3 hand signs, explore them, play with them, and really put ideas to them so that you can explore them at a deeper level as well. So when I say ideas, what I mean by that is use human things. So for example, you can be like, look at the light, let me turn it on. Look at the light, let me turn it on. You see what I'm saying? I'm using different hand signs to say different things. So you can play, you can even write a sentence and just gesture it out and play with it. Okay? Explore it, enjoy it, speak your truth whilst you're doing it. So much love to you.